So today I'm going to be reviewing these deep conditioning caps, and they're really good, especially when you are deep conditioning your hair. So I'm going to just take my hair, freshly washed hair. So what you want to do is you want to put your conditioner in your hair all over. So you get 12 of these deep conditioning cap. You get them in gold color, 6 in gold and 6 in silver. And when you open it up, it has an insulation section right here to keep the heat in your hair. So it uses your body heat to deep condition your hair. So I've applied all my conditioner, and you're just going to cover it up. You don't need to add any external heat when you're using this, and you can just go about, do your business, do anything that you want to do. And what it's going to do is that it's going to infuse the moisture from the conditioner into your hair and keep it in. So I love it. I love the convenience, and it's light and it's well made, and the elastic is not too tight.